Hi fantastic people, welcome to this platform. So you want to blow, you've been doing music for a while and you really want to be out there, you want to be in the limelight, you want to be outstanding in a competitive industry like the music industry of Nigeria. Then stick around on this video, watch this video to the end and you are sure going to thank me later, because I've gotten a lot of information that will help you succeed as a music artist in Nigeria. So I have top 5 tips that will help you blow as a music artist in Nigeria. Be consistent. So you will agree with me that getting out there and being known in this music industry is a game of consistency. If you record a couple of songs and you feel that's fine, and until the couple of songs that you've recorded so far makes way before you can do more songs, then I'm sorry, that's very, very wrong. You are going to lose all the momentum you've gathered, you're going to lose your fan base and all of the followers you've gathered over time. Consistency is the watchword. So, updating your fans with new vibes will keep you active in the industry and will make your fans to understand that you have a lot to offer. And trust me guys, you never can tell if your next track would be the one that would blow you and take you up into fame. So what are you waiting for? Stay consistent in your project. Stay consistent in what you're recording. Stay consistent, because consistency is actually the watchword. Make the music you like and not what you think others will like. So artists, you will agree with me that music production is really a time-consuming endeavor. So it makes a lot of sense for you to enjoy what you're doing and the time you spend. It's actually a trap for you to want to chase popularity and fame rather than chasing and following your heart. So guys, it's a win-win situation if you actually produce the music you love, cause if no one loves it, it can be painful anyway, but at least you enjoy the process and then you enjoy the time you spent. It's good to follow the trend, music artists. It's actually very good to follow the trend. But then remember, a trend was once someone's unique idea. And so many people loved it, came into it, started doing it, and it became a trend. So, do not be afraid to create your own trend. Start that right now and be unique. Create your own trend. Stay connected. The music industry, guys, is all about relationship. The upcoming artist you're seeing today and you refuse to relate with simply because he or she has nothing to offer, or maybe he's just an upcoming, may become the next superstar tomorrow. And then trust me, what are you gonna do? Regret why you didn't relate with them when you had the time. Although guys, stardom comes with its own pride. But trust me, it's going to be way simpler for you to get collaborations and even hang out with superstars who were once your friends when they were still upcoming. So what are you going to do? Connect with your friends, connect with fellow upcoming artists, connect with all of them, most especially here at the Elegant Empire. Get connected, get to know your fellow artists, get to know who is dope. Do collaborations with them if you can, and stay connected, stay as friends, discuss topical issues on how to succeed as a music artist. That would actually help you a lot in the future to come. Be bold. Don't let a few criticisms stop you from getting your music out there. The short truth is that you are going to get criticized from time to time, and it's helpful for your career and it's essential for your growth. Viewers, once you accept the fact that it is totally impossible for you to achieve anything tangible in this life without criticism, it makes it way simpler for you to handle it when it inevitably happens. Because it will sure happen. It's inevitable. People will criticize you. Whatever you do, people will say something about it. So, start having it in mind that criticism is part of success. If you don't want anybody to criticize you or talk down on what you do, then don't do anything. Stop doing something. Because whatever you do in this life, people will talk about it. They have their own view about everything you do. Compete with no one. In life, generally, the only person you should compete with is yourself. And that brings you back into the music industry. The only person that you should compete with is yourself. Stop competing with your fellow artists. Stop envying your fellow artists. Stop feeling like you are better. Even if you are better, let other people say it. By the time you begin to feel like you're better than the other artists, you're already competing with them. That is harmful to your career. Stop competing with anybody. Be a greater version of yourself. Stop placing yourself side by side with another artist. Stop seeing someone's song and some people dash into my DM a couple of times and would tell me, boss, I can do better than this artist. I got good vibes than this artist. You're actually wasting your money on this artist. Who told you that you are good? Who told you that you are better? How many fan base do you have that you know you are better than the next artist who is singing? Be better than yourself of yesterday. Be better than yourself. That is when God will exalt you. That is when you yourself will see your own flaws. And then you are going to work on yourself and stay better. But by the time you're looking at somebody and you're feeling like you're better, even if you're not even better than the person, or even if you're better than the person, you shut your mouth. Stop the competition. Work every day on having a better version of yourself. The music industry is actually a very, very competitive one, and it's actually a public industry. So as you're springing up, a lot of people are already having their eyes on you. People want to see you be your original and your real self. So stop having all the time thinking about other people that you're better off or other people who are better than you. Start looking inwards and looking at yourself and seeing your potential. And also, a lot of young artists do these things. They start imitating popular artists. Everybody wants to sing like Burna Boy because Burna Boy has blown. Everybody wants to sing like Wizkid because Wizkid is a star. Everybody wants to sing like Davido because Davido is a superstar. Everybody wants to sing like Rema because Rema is a superstar. If Rema was copying Two-Face or was copying Wizkid, he would never blow. If Two-Face was copying MI, he would never blow. All of these superstars have their unique genre and they are unique on their own. So everybody wants to see the originality inside of you. Stop imitating superstars. It won't help you. It won't help you in any way. Be your original self. People want to welcome freshness. You don't want to wear an old clothes for the rest of your life. You want to buy a new clothes. Not necessarily that it's finer than the one of yesterday, but because it just has this new thing, just this new flair. That is what the industry is looking for. So bring a new vibe, bring something new, and tell me if you will not blow the next day. So guys, superstars should only be your role models and your motivation. Alright? They should only motivate you and you want to be like them, not copying and imitating them. It's fine to have role models, but then stop imitating your role models. So, in conclusion, take home this. The music industry is actually a very competitive one, and remaining on track and consistent will actually take you to the top. But listen guys, getting to the top demands a lot of consistent effort. That was why I discussed the first thing in our today's video, consistency. Consistency is actually the watchword. It will help you, it will grow you, and people will get to know what exactly you're doing. Guys, there is really no magic in attaining success in any field of life. There is always the working process. And trust me, the working process in this context is now. This is the time to work out your salvation, work out your career, stay consistent, do all the points I have discussed in this video. If you mess with this period of your career life, you completely mess with your opportunity to blow and become popular in the music industry. That's why we have a lot of rising artists. They have been rising artists for 20, 30 years of their life. Some of them give up and get a job or start a small business. They have given up on their career life because they have missed out in this process, the basics. How you lay your foundation in life matters a lot, whether the building is going to stand or it's going to collapse. And practice all the 5 top points I have mentioned and discussed in this video, and watch your career growing into a successful one. And lastly, don't forget to drop a comment on this video if this video was helpful, and also tell us on the comment section questions you want us to answer, and also what you intend for us to actually discuss in our next video. Remember, Elegant Empire Music, we are always here to help you grow. See you next time. Peace out.